Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Bytes. Are you a streamer and stream your games or various events on various social media platforms? Well, there are large number of streaming softwares. However, the problem that I have individually encountered was that they were unable to stream to the multiple platforms. There are some of the streaming softwares or streaming platform allowing multi-streaming. However, the streaming is restricted to the Facebook personal profile only. For streaming to the Facebook page, we have to opt for the paid plan. OBS and Streamlabs OBS both are the free softwares and they mostly allow us for streaming purpose. Streamlabs OBS allows to stream to the multiple platforms. For example, we can stream to the YouTube and Facebook at the same time. And similarly, we can also stream to YouTube and Twitch at the same time. However, the live stream is posted only under the gaming category on the Facebook page. So it creates problems on streaming other events except the gaming category. Whereas OBS allows streaming on the single platform only. We can either stream to a single YouTube page or a Facebook page. However, we have to thanks for a developer named Sorayuki. They have developed a plugin named OBS Multi RTMP, which makes it easier to multi-stream to the multiple platforms. With this plugin, we can stream our event to as many as custom RTMP URLs as we like. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the installation and configuration of the plugin for streaming to the multiple platforms. So without any delay, let's begin the installation process. So in the first step, let's browse the GitHub page for the plugin. I have provided the link in the description below, so make sure to check it. So this plugin is called OBS Multi RTMP by Sorayuki, and on the release page, download the zip file for the plugin and then extract it. So I am downloading the zip file, and after downloading the zip file, we have to extract it using WinZip or WinRAR or some type of unzipping softwares. So now my download has been completed. So after the download is completed, I am extracting the file using WinZip software. So in the next step, let's copy the files in the folder and open the file location of the OBS Studio. So let us move to the local disk C, and then on the local disk C or the installation of the Windows folder, we can see the program files. On the program files, let's search for OBS Studio and then paste the files that we have copied earlier. So we have now copied the files. As I have already installed the plugin, so it's showing that to replace the file in the destination folder. So now our files have been copied. So while installing, make sure that your OBS Studio is closed. If it is open, then you may encounter some issues, as I have encountered some issues due to the opening of the OBS Studio application. Now let's restart the OBS Studio application. So now we can see the OBS Studio application will start, and so I have already opened my OBS Studio, and now we can see the multi RTMP plugin. So after the plugin has been installed, just click on the button dot new target or add new target, and then add the streaming name. So I am clicking on the add new target, and on clicking the add new target, now a dialog box is opened. So on the new target I will type the streaming name. So let's consider we are streaming on the Facebook page. On the streaming name, let's type Facebook. This name is just for the identification purpose, so that we can easily identify which RTMP URL we are typing here. So I have typed Facebook. Now on the RTMP server, we have to copy our streaming URL. So for the streaming URL, you have to log in on your streaming software, and then on the streaming software we can find the streaming URL and the streaming key. Similarly, on the encoder setting, we have to select X264, and then for the audio encoder we have to select FFmpeg audio encoder. So for the streaming key and streaming URL, let's move towards the Facebook page, and then from the Facebook page we have to create a live Facebook Live video. We have to click on Facebook Live. Now for the demonstration purpose, I have opened the TechBytes Facebook page, and on the Facebook page I'll go on the live option. So we can see here the live button is present. So on clicking the live button, our live producer will be opened. So let's copy the server URL and the streaming key from our Facebook Live page and paste it on the RTMP server, and then RTMP key, and then set the video encoder as X264, and on the audio encoder let's select the FFmpeg encoder, and then click on OK. So in this way we can add as many as RTMP URL to stream on. However, one thing to be noted is that it's gonna consume your CPU for encoding purpose. So make sure your CPU has large number of thread and cores for that purpose. We are going to start our stream. So as we are ready to start our stream to multiple pages, so on the next step you have to just click on the start button so that your streaming is started. So make sure to click on all the start button on which we have set up the encoding software, encoding RTMP URL and the RTMP key. So for example, if you are streaming on Facebook as well as YouTube at the same time, then make sure to add the RTMP URL and the RTMP key from your Facebook Live page as well as your YouTube Live page, and then start the stream by clicking on the start button. So in this way you are ready to go to stream for all the pages, for a large number of multiple pages you wish to stream on. So we can see here our live video is being connected after we start the stream. So then we can click on go live and our live stream is ready to go. So I hope it helps to solve your streaming problem to multiple platforms. If encountering any issues, make sure to share your problems on the comment section, and also make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button not to miss any updates.